Culinary Diversity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected sir and dear fellow students. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to God Almighty for the health and opportunity to gather here today, and for allowing us to share our talk and knowledge with one another. Today, I would like to discuss a topic that I believe is close to all of us, the culinary diversity of Indonesia. This subject is not only about food, but also about culture, identity, and how food plays an important role in shaping the way we understand our nation. Indonesia, as an archipelagic country with thousands of islands and hundreds of ethnic groups, is home to an extraordinary variety of culinary traditions. Each region has its own unique dishes, reflecting the local ingredients, historic climate, and the philosophy of its people. However, the diversity of Indonesian cuisine is more than just about tasty. Each dish carries within, within its cultural values, history, and tradition that connects us to our roots. Indonesian food is a symbol of unity in diversity, bringing together different ethnic groups and communities through shared meals. As the As the girls' generation, we have an important responsibility to preserve and promote this cultural heritage. One way we can contribute is by introducing our local cuisine to the world through various digital platforms. Social media and culinary events can be powerful tools in causing the richness of our culinary tradition. Furthermore, Furthermore, supporting local culinary business that focus on traditional Indonesian food can ensure that this food remains relevant and appreciated in the modern world. In conclusion, I urge all of us to take pride in Indonesian culinary diversity. It is not only a treasure trove of flavors, it is not only a treasure trove of flavors, but also a reflection of our nation's identity. Let us praise, Let us preserve and share this treasure with the world, so that future generations can continue to enjoy and appreciate the riches of Indonesian cuisine. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Question at verbs oleh dosen pembimbing Mr. Bobby. Question at verbs itu ada 5. First, next, then, after, and finally. We ask this question at first, next, then, and finally to describe the order in which two or more actions happen. We ask a call after first, next, then, and finally when they introduce the sentence that describes the action. First, for an action that happened before any other. Next and then can both be asked for an action that happens after another action, but we usually ask next for an action that happens immediately after another action, or as soon as possible, or as soon as possible. Then for an action that happens after another action if it's not immediate. After indicates an action that happens after one or more previous steps. And finally, for the action that happens at the end, after any other, or after a long time. Here the example, how to make a cup of tea. First, we boil some water. Next, service the water in a cup. Then, Cut the tea bag in the water. After, add some sugar and milk. Finally, add a biscuit and enjoy it. How to make salad? Put the senses in the correct order of question as first, then next, after that, and finally. Add some tuna and mix well. Sprinkle some olive on your salad and enjoy. Buy all the, buy all the ingredients from the supermarket. Grate some cheese and add a pinch of salt and pepper. Put the lettuce, tomato, and fish and cucumber. Next, vegetable dialogue, morning routine. Anna, what's your morning routine like? Bin. Well, first, I wake up at 6 a.m. Anna, that's early. What do you do next? Bin. Then I brush my teeth. Anna, okay, and after that? Bin. Next, I take a shower. Anna, sound good. Bin. After that, I get dressed and eat breakfast. Anna, and do you go to school right after? Then finally I leave for school at 7 a.m. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.